Merhaba, hi everyone, this is Ayşenur Altan. Welcome to Turkish Food Recipes. In this episode, I'm gonna take you one of the oldest restaurants in Turkey. It is really an authentic, famous but small place, and it serves only one dish and a special dessert. Then we're gonna go look at the famous Afyon lokumu, Turkish delight that is rolled with cream. To get it, I had to wait for 30 minutes in the hot day, but it was worth it. So let's get started. Burayı çok methettiler. Afyonkarahisar merkezinde aşçı bacaksız ben de geldim. Bakalım şimdi nasıl gelecek. I didn't want to disturb the people in there, so the camera was little down here. The restaurant is one of the oldest, not even in Afyon but in Turkey maybe. It's from 1860s and all the chairs, tables are original. Nothing has changed and it is 4th generations. It's their tradition that you have to say hi when you come in. In Turkish we say Esselamu Aleyküm or Merhaba. When you sit down to table, first thing they bring is a cracked onion and they serve a single dish only. Bu ne eti oluyor?
Kuzu eti.
Kuzu eti.
Evet.
Hı-hı. Tandır nasıl pişiyor?
Biz tandır demiyoruz, kebap diyoruz.
Kuzu kebap. Evet. This is Kadir, the son of the owner Ahmet Madenci, 5th generation. They serve only lamb kebab and bread kadayıf with kaymak. The lamb meat is rested for a day. In summer they add vegetable oil and in winter they cook it with its own fat, nothing else is added. He served it with pide bread that he soaks in the meat stock and with pilav on the side. To eat you have to be there at around 12 and mostly it is finished after 3. He doesn't cook it the second time in a day, nor they don't serve more than one serving so other customers can have it too.
Aynen, 2 maden suyu demiştik. Afiyet olsun.
Aynı şeyi görebilirsin.
This dessert must be the best thing to complete a hearty meal. Kaymaklı ekmek kadayıfı. It is made by cooking special bread in a syrup for a time and served with kaymak. For me, I couldn't catch the special moment when he was adding the kaymak on top of the dessert because of the lady. It is really a hearty, very sweet dessert, but together with kaymak, it's a piece of heaven. As Kadir suggested, we ordered one first to see if it's gonna be enough, so it is not wasted. I really don't know how to describe the taste, the combination of kaymak and ekmek kadayıfı. It's really, really a piece of heaven. I could have eaten a little more, but I was full from the lamb kebab, so we didn't eat another one. We paid about 120 Turkish liras, which is approximately $22. I know it is probably cheap for you guys. For us, it was okay. It was worth it, so delicious. So I really recommend you to come here if you visit Afyon. After Aşçıbacaksız, we walk around the streets to do some shoppings. It was full of Turkish delights shops. The one it is famous in Afyon, Afyon lokumu filled with kaymak and other nuts. First, we didn't know from which place to buy, and they all seemed delicious. It is also famous with sucuk. We couldn't buy because we were traveling to other places and it was hard to keep it in hot days. They also have sucuk İskender, sucuk döner. It was looking really delicious. Since I was full, I didn't taste it either. And here is another shop full of pickles. It was really looking delicious. I didn't go inside. It was a hot day, we were tired. And here are some poğaças. And here is ekmek kadayıfı, the one we eat at Aşçıbacaksız. You buy this and could make it at home. Maybe that's another story and that's another show if you like. I think these are poppy seed bread. They also have potato breads here that I couldn't try. I'm so sorry about it too. Make sure you watch the first part of the Afyon visit, which I had. Famous green lentils filled pastry, Afyon bükmesi. I will try to make it at home and share the recipe with you. At the end of the hot day, I was tired and still was window shopping. Got confused without knowing from which place I should buy Afyon lokumu. Then with my daughter we wanted to check it again from internet to see which sweet shop is recommended, and we got Öztaylan şekerlemesi. When we found it, we saw the line. First I thought it was too much. We didn't want to wait. It was too hot. Then my daughter insisted to get a lokum from here. It was like 30 minutes we waited at the hot day, and without knowing that I'm gonna buy the one of the best Turkish delights so far. I'm very picky about it. I don't like it in every shops. It was worth waiting. If I go there again, I would wait 1 hour even. I made my promise. I will take you to my other favorite Turkish delights shops in Istanbul, if of course they accept. In the upcoming episodes, I'm gonna take you to Isparta, which is famous with its handmade rugs. It's one of my passions, and also with roses and things that are made with rose. I will share my experience. But first I'm gonna take you to a 5-star hotel Turkish breakfast we had in Isparta. I'm so excited that I also got a new recipe from the general manager of the hotel. I think you're gonna love to watch that episode too. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and press the bell button to get notifications. I hope to see you in another delicious Turkish food recipes and vlogs. Afiyet olsun.